Welcome back everybody. If you've been watching my channel and you've seen the last video, you'll see that I was showing you around my Nova GSi. I've decided to put the torch on my phone this time so you can actually see what I'm showing you. So I just want to show you some of the rust under the bonnet. So there's a very nasty looking repair patch there. It's solid but not very pretty. I will be getting rid of that and redoing it. There's a bit where it's been welded there on the chassis rail. Again, it's solid but not very pretty, so I'll do something with that. The front slam panel has rotted on both ends and gone through to the inner wing, so that'll need doing. As you can see, it's all rotten on the back. It is all rusty behind the headlights as well, in the usual Nova part. That bit's not very pretty either. And the same at the other end. You can see it's had a weld patch there before, and it's not very pretty behind the back of the headlight. And there's also a hole through there, so that'll get attention. And then this side, you can see it now I've got the torch on. See where it's gone through in a hole there and there, so I'll get all that plated up and welded. One good thing with this, it's difficult to see now because the battery's in, but it has actually got a very solid battery tray. There's no holes through the battery tray at all. It's really nice and solid, so that's one major advantage. See the colour better now as well with the light on. See the beautiful metallic black. Get a better view of the wheels if my phone will focus. I think the brakes were the old original, but it did have some brand new calipers which were fitted by the previous owner. They are actually still quite gold when they're clean because they were brand new, or at least refurbished alloys anyway. I'll show you some of the rust. You've got your usual rusty back arches, which actually look okay until you realise that there's absolutely no lip. There's no lip. The lips were ground right back to enable the fitment of bigger wheels and wider wheels. And then you've got obviously where the side skirt was, and you've got some nice rust on the back end of the sills. I think the rest of the sill is actually not bad. There's a few little bits where it's gone through there and there, but just pretty solid. Otherwise, can't really show you much more because I can't really get to it. Now you can see down the back of the car, massive pile of tyres and wheels, and here is my replacement front panel. It's not a genuine GM one unfortunately, but it will do the job. So that shall be going on. It's the full top half of the front panel. The lower half of the front panel has actually been replaced at some point in the past, so I don't need to worry about that. That's actually really nice and solid. I'll show you the interior a bit better now as well with the torch on. So hopefully you might see a bit better. I really ought to have a light on for doing these videos so you can see what I'm actually doing. So I've got some window glass and Astra GT digital clocks just sat there, and as I said, the car's kind of been used for storage for a while. My old wooden gear knob, which we'll be getting rid of. Little Pez dispenser there, look at that. No stereo in this unfortunately. Never had an original stereo, so I'll just be putting one of my old Sony ones in probably. Indicated mileage 19,565 nearly, but obviously that's 119,565. Seats are really nice, apart from this bit on the driver's bolster. That's the only thing wrong with the interior. As I said in the last video, it's been used as storage and has been for a while. Just got alloys, and the side skirt is there, the one that's not attached. Spare Mark II Cavalier front grille, some spare headrests and various bits. I have actually got some proper Nova GSi headrests as well, which I did consider putting on the back seat, but then it's like you're taking away originality. So do I not bother with the headrest on the back seat? Do I leave it more original? Because one of the advantages, obviously, oh yeah, I need to fit new door pins because the door does drop. I have got them, I just need to fill them. But yeah, so there you go. So what I'm going to do next is another short video of me starting the engine. So I shall see you in that one. See you later guys, bye.